Hey guys, welcome back to Combustion Junction. I am Steve. This is the Honda CB360T Scrambler project, and today hopefully we get the custom Scrambler exhaust finalized and all buttoned up. So I figured now is as good a time as any to sort of get you up to speed on where I've gotten. I've roughly got all the pipes cleaned up, and I gave them a spray of black just to sort of see how things would fit. They still need a little bit more cleaning up, but overall I'm like 80% there with those. I think those are looking great. What I'm doing here is obviously building a heat shield. I know last episode I talked about wrapping these pipes, and that's why I was, doing hidden joints on the pipes and everything. Really and truly, I got such a positive response doing these pipes, and a few of the comments sort of prompted me to maybe think about going in this direction. My sort of goal was to blacken the pipes underneath, forget about the wrapping, do a heat shield. The heat shield hides the junction here that they slip onto, which actually worked out great, and then the end here is where the pea shooters sort of emerge from the shield. So far, so good. This is just some 1-inch round pipe that I slit maybe just a hair over a quarter of the pipe on both sides, and then just strap them with just the 1-inch strapping. And so basically what I think I'm going to try and put in these gaps is this stuff. I've got to get a cut, and I'm gonna put it in behind. I know it looks a little busy there because it's quite a large piece of itself, but I have that and I have another pattern. I'm gonna try the crisscrossy one first. I'm just gonna cut a piece out and ideally just tack it in behind, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Yeah, nope. 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 Not what I was going for. Not at all. I love the frame, and I might even just put a couple more. Oh, God, I just got to get this off. I don't even want to look at it.
A few moments later.
Even that right now is way better. I just have to figure out what I want to do to finish it. Okay guys, thought I'd bring you back for another real quick update. I decided to give my other thought a try and just use some of the 3/4 bar. I gotta say, I'm digging it. I think one of the things that was the problem, not only with that terrible metal and just the cutout of it just didn't match, but the fact that it was in behind, so it was getting framed like a picture as opposed to being one solid unit with a design or a style to it. So this one, these are actually sitting a little proud because if I want to fill that in and grind it, it'll look nice. But I think that's the direction I'm going to go in. I can't do this side. Unfortunately, I only have enough bar left for 5 of the 6 pieces needed, and I'm basically sort of half measuring, half eyeballing, so I don't want to do 5 and then have my last gap be wrong. I'm not sure what the finish on this is going to be. I may just try and brush it out and do a clear coat on it and sort of leave it metallic. I may match it to whatever I may be doing with the tank, and not so sure about that, or it'll just be a glossier black. And that's just so you get the sort of perspective from behind of, I think it's great how these guys just kind of jut out from the shield. So I'm gonna call it on that one. I don't know if any of you guys live in Canada or not, but man, we are going through a cold snap here this week. It was almost a -40 wind chill last night here in Toronto. My pipes froze and the garage, I'm blasting heaters and I can't even warm up. You know, if you got an opinion on what you think of the heat shield, let me know. I'm almost there. I gotta see. I'm glad I tried it, but I gotta really decide if it's the right direction or not, or exactly how I'm gonna finish it up. But I think the slat's definitely, that rad cover thing, just embarrassing. I don't even know if I'll put it up, and I'll cut this part out if I don't, and you'll never know. But I think I will, because it was a nice disaster. As always, subscribe if you haven't and you want to keep up to date. Hit the bell, hit that like button if you dug this. Share this video or this series with somebody you think might enjoy this. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Say hi. And hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer here in the garage, and we can get on to some of the engine goodies that I've been sitting on parts for a while. With that, stay warm, ride safe. Cheers, guys.